namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Of course, yeah, that key love like Dr. Joshi Reman. Yeah, Halinga that key link very very na Bill Mangan the president. Yeah, and other matters and stuff like that. So yeah, as you know very very, also album Dr. Joshi Reman say women. Of course, Rati 6th December. Like it's available on all digital platforms. It depends on what stream queen YouTube you go on very you know popular platform like Gaza in overall then you tell Spotify and then you tell about iTunes and stuff like that. So you go on album yeah, you know my 18 hours hala you tell one day because already I record online so you could go import. Okay, it's fine. So by far very very izayibona ingena ka iTunes top 20 ngasho vula tani at least ngikona ikota ku report that guys ayingena ka top 20 I don't know what's happening Team Shiremane but hi areds so before ya ka live yona dokodela very very ku ihlamusela ku hisetera na risimi ra xikatawa leri nga controversial ri switwala ku ri a beef to Ben Mahengana. I'm just saying yeah hi ta sungula hi tlanga risimi ra xikatawa just va ni minyika ya some parts nyana la switwala ku hey now aku na mulwa yena but of course yi ta kha respond afterwards and stuff like that. So kuna track lana muntu of course hitelaku ya xikatawa so hey that track hey ko ku very so yona dokodela ku yisa etrona yi hlamuserini hey a swi twali na ku i beef man ko ku yi responded but let's ye ku aku ndleka yenda ya a tulu ku ndleka hinkwa yes xisikile xikatawa okay yeah ntakuronge hi njara nomo lowu ay ku ri kahle kahle like ni sure ku na vanhu lava va nga twa yi phohli na va twa ku vula Ben Mahengana because I'm just saying loko ri a yi nga hi nyikani context ka live leyi nga ta hi kha hi landza a wu ti zitshemba man okay okay xikatawa la ku rongo hi njara okay. Okay, even this section, yeah. So this track is a bit controversial. It sounds as if you beef up Ben Mahengana, man. Okay. Tona. Actually, good try. It comes to try to say like hangalas. It's more like answer not Tim safe in manjane. It's more like here na go fight the win. We say like wow, like hambana sana hamgalasa la. Shikata. So of course, you refer Moonla as a person, but yeah, you should refer to show yes, shikata. You should talk shula and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, so you can go and listen to the full track. But the Islam referring Dr. Joshi Reman ku said there no I beef. So I yenga section yo.
Nto van'wana lava nga yi twa ku i ngoma leyi beef ku na beef ya chumula mata ngoma leyi va vula yini ni mi byela
i byele
misa wa ta loko wa ze wa ta xikatawa ne wa ta ku xikatawa i yini ne loko wo ze va ku thiya vito hi xo karhi wa ta ku va nyangatsini loko ka wa imbuti u ta ku va ku nyangatsini but xikatawa all in all loko van'wana va swi analyze ku na vanhu va ku tala va ti vitana ku xikatawa nto va ri iyele mavona leyi mbalaku hi va mhani swo fana sweswo swi tiviwa hi va mhani but xikatawa lexi hina hi vitana munhu i munhu wo karhi hi n'wi vitana xikatawa swi vula ku ri loko va ze va ku vitana va ku i mbuti wena swi vula ku ri hi va nyangatsini va vulavula hi ku na vanhu va ku tala va nga na ti-challenges with the stepfathers right
okay
ka ngoma leyi vulavula hi ku futhi wena hi ku tiva hi mhana wa munghana wa hina so mi nga xingoma ya mina mi endla bifa ku na bifi ya chumula yi vulavula hi xikatawa mhisa lowu a nghenaka ndlwini ya vana a lava ku bongabonga hina hi twa hi yena a famba a ti akela wena muti kwalomu a ni ri ma swi vona so the song talks about that va ri xikatawa i hiti ko wena is it thank you
Okay.
as himself ya ka Mandlakazi le kaya aka Mandlakazi le kaya i Mdluli vanhu va ku tala va swi tivi mene Mdluli
So hi ku hi side ra dokodela hi sweswo guys swo tala swi ri a huge coincidence vele ya ku like it's more like kumbexana like ku va va hambanini la it's more like Benny Mayengani se a loko a controla la a ona so it's too close so hi ngo yi teka yona dokodela tanihileswi yo yi hlamuselaka xiswona but you know the explanation ya la lo hi khe languta it's too close loko a yi nga ndlangi this live sweswi heta hi ku hayi dokodela yi bife Benny Mayengani ku ya hi risimu so hey it's a tough one a hi tekeli 50-50 hi ta vona yena Benny Mayengani loko i ta yi responda loko ri i twa swi n'wi khumba yena but yaleyo hi le xikarhi guys maybe yi right dokodela swi vulaka i stepfather or maybe yena so we don't know like hi le xikarhi ngo hi vulavuleni ka comment section comment ni vona ku vo tala mirhi yini majority counts very maybe yeah okay yeah it's fine yeah majority counts yeah comment below ni vona ku n'wina mirhi yini and stuff like that aka this section since very yeah swasi ngo vele swi sarhandza yena na side ra Benny Mayengani a kha yi hlamusela history ya yona vele na contribution ya yona of course leyi nga yi endla ka music a swi tiva vele yi tirheni na vanhu vo fana vo Penny and stuff like that so yi tlhe yi hlamusela vele na hi side ra hala ka Benny Mayengani leswi yi nga n'wi pfunisa xiswona sweswi hambi sweswi hi va vona ku se va kha va holova yi fike yi kombisa ku yi n'wi pfunise ku yini and in terms of even tin'wana ta album maybe van'wana a hi nga swi tini ku chaya yona mani nkarhi a wehe swona but na masungulo ya album ya tibabene leswi yi nga ndlisa xiswona hi kuma history ya yona la hlamusela dokodela mi ri swi ndlise ku yini and stuff like that
hi hlangana tuku vangoni va ndhawu Maroya come Prince come Benny Mayengani come tuku vangoni va ndhawu we put together album ya tibabene and mind you by then Prince akamina no kuna Benny Mayengani Benny Mayengani I've worked with Benny Mayengani before
okay
done an album ya rifu ravitana na Benny Mayengani it was a disco album ya risvara Mayengani
kuna album yin'we ya Benny Mayengani ku nga tinsimu to fana mani rifu ravitana mi ta mi kha mi ri tiva vo tala so hi yona dokodela yi ngo yi behind that project okay and ya twa ya na quality na yona so if you can listen
what happened then you know let's put together the album then you go okay aku no Benny uri ange record yena handle ka studio xa Joe he's waiting for Joe if Joe doesn't come he won't record and impela if kan tsan khalanga yoko ninge record and va byeni ninge record until Joe is here then okay fine here we are then we put together an album ya tibabene but the intention ya ku renda album liya it was not I and that sim it was like 3 songs akunon lava ku ya titlanga le kaya le kuna ntana le kaya loko ifika le tibabene ifika iteka xidlodlo loko yi vuya khalanga yoko mfo phela ngoma lewani ya va tsakisa vanhu mara nga ku yina nhlambanyana mina ni nge yi faki no hi yona ke khalanga le hi yona you can attest to that no ku yona ke ngoma yaleyo then we put together an album ya tibabene at the same time album ya vangoni va ndhawu nyimpi ya ngena then everything was history Limpopo Poison boom Banana Zulu Ngilele and everything you know the rest is history so I was just giving you a little background so I've been representing Matsonga all the way n'wina mi nghena ku sweswi mi ta vulavula mizaya timbangi mi byela ku joke you must stop saying that because I represented you immensely so what you need to do you need to learn from hina must be said loko fika u buy hit it doesn't mean you are better than somebody you must learn from us must be said hi kota ku byela ku lendzhaku hi huma kona hi ku dyambu a ri tshama ro huma vupela dyambu always ro huma vuxeni and that reason ya ku ro huma vuxeni is because ro huma avuxeni aner so mi fane mi dyondza ka hina so tshikani ku delela vanhu lavakulukumba na loko mi tsala ka Facebook you must know ku ri i n'wana wa mutswari you must respect the elders all right so here is the album and I believe ku ri vanhu va ta yi tsakela we've done a well loko mi nga yi tsakelanga a mi tsakelanga a yi nani
as you can hear I behind siva ra mahingani dokodela as we can hear kwala even tibabeni so himpela risimu leri ri na nhlamba swa ku beri mani ka swi tiva ni kambe hi ri ni khome leyi ya mamba mi enanga hi yo section leyi yi rhuketelaku leyi yeah so okay hi hundza ka this section like album ya Dr. Joyce Herman of course a yi phohlini ni vona even virus screenshots vanhu va kombisa ku like va yi kumeterini a ni nga swi vona ka Facebook ya mina nje kwala oh actually someone commented on my Facebook account thuli kwalano a va postini va kha kombisa kwalano leswi swi ndise sure okay cheka wala swona ku na vanhu vo fana vo Prince Makondo hi vona va kha va share ti-symbol ku na ti-group to karhi leswi ni nga swi discover ku na ti-group ka WhatsApp leti vanhu va va join ka tona va kuma ti-symbol leti so ni twi na ku like swi nge vi symbol ku swi stop loko ri ka hasheriwa music on WhatsApp kasi why vanhu mi ri ka ti-group to sendela tinghoma ku ri ke swilo swo streamiwa masiku lama so it's not right so dokodela yi swi hlamurini leswi naswona swi yi tsakisanga at all a hi twini ku yi kombisa marito wala and stuff like that
but mi tshika mukhuva wa ku ri na loko ku tinghoma ta vanhu ti nga si huma mi teka tinghoma ta vanhu mi ti haxahaxa you destroying yourself as Vatsonga. You must stick together and do something lexi nga ta kota ku ri xi hi veka somewhere. Must twisisa. Stop degrading yourself. Ni nga ku artist yo karhi swi nga te that is nonsense, that's rubbish. So you must start respecting your own people and let us lift in. Anel. So I just wanted to tell you because this thing naswana ku mina bar Joe Umiri. I just wanted you to know that we are one. We're coming here to celebrate the album. Look, we buy a bar, look, we when I Mr. Post, I put you somewhere, you put me somewhere. Benny Mayengan, I put you somewhere, you put me somewhere. Prince Rangan, I put you somewhere, you put me somewhere. Long arna Ben Mayengan, long atava Joe Bati hit. Long arna Joe Natavana Beno Bati hit or Prince Bati hit or Mr. Post Bati hit. The fact remains, we made history. That's all. History, I mean, I got a Helen Arnavitora, Mr. Posting, Arnavitora, Bening, Arnavitora, Prince Rangan. Naya Prince Rangan. The same goes for the for them. Must so I face anything, so it takes us up down. People are asking me about Limpopo Poison. Look, Limpopo Poison, he reunite. He needs a real. Look, ita fight am jail. That's what you need to know. And then look, he reunite am jail. Look, ita fight am jail. So as we end at the album, let's enjoy the album. Next track. Alakangwin. Maswon, let's go.
Hi, okay. Hi, me too dokodela ku yesa edera yona hi. Limpopo Poison I see fire hanya I'm sure swi swona ku akuna lexi nga ku hanyeni I vona tiri ku promote nene ku beri manga akazanga promote like album ya dokodela la obviously swi vula swo tala sweswo swi vula swo tala na yona yo posta ka n'we ntsena and then say after loko Mahingani xi chingini ya posta nchumu hi Mahingani hi project ya Mahingani so mhaka yo yaleyo ala dokodela unless mo tlhemi swi lunghisa unless fika hana ti-plan to ku la ku lunghisiwa yes maybe but a ha voni ku hanya ka yona hi ku vhele sweswi laha ko kala ku tlhela i Mahingani ntsena loko hi swi chekisa vhele la so leswi but ni twi swa pfunanyana sweswo kahle a za swa address yo swi ndla ku like defense like na ta Mahingani maybe ti nga vi na ku koka la tlhelo ka nkarhi wa sweswi ti kota ku stream loko se swo kha swi tiveka ma swi toko hi talwa na to defend minkarhi yin'wana and stuff like that leswi loko ri amukeza subscribe banda kumla mtlika subscribe
vavanuna vo tala va nge fikisi 2027 va kha va hanya vavasati vo tala mi ta sala mi mbale minala hi mhaka timbilu ta n'wina vavanuna va kombela swilo swo tala ngopfu va kombela ku va va akela tiyindlu va mi xavela timovha va mi humesa va mi nyika timali mara n'wina loko o kombela xin'we ntsena n'wanuna a ku nkata mina ni kombela ku teka nsati wa mbirhi wa ala wena wa swi ta ku swi n'wi dlaya n'wanuna swilo sweswo swa n'wi dlaya ndzeni wa fa hi katsongotsongo hambi n'wi vona khahlekelela ri na wena wa fa andzeni ivi a fa n'wanuna loyi a nga ha fikisi na malembe lama xikwembu xi n'wi nyike wona a dlaya hi wena ivi i sale rihanyu na wena pfumelela n'wanuna loyi a teka vavasati vambirhi hambi vo vanharhu i ta va hakela tiyindlu kun'wana swi hinkwaswo laha swi va swa wena